Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome if you are new. My name is Charlene, and on this channel, we focus on everything BFL, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while. In today's video, we are doing a haul. Bath and Body Works did a $2.95 bath, body, sun, hair, 1 ounce sanitizer sale. And I have a toast for you to review with you real quick. So if you want to see my thoughts on those items, then just stay tuned. All right, so as you saw, we had a little pop-up sale from Bath and Body Works for their minis, and I've been waiting on this because those scent notes that they released back in the fall that I went in, I did a fall walkthrough with you all. I didn't want to splurge on them at the time and get them for full price, and I did not want to waste a reward on them because I wanted to wait for a mini sale, and they finally did a mini sale. So I picked up several of them, and while I was in there, they also had Pure Wonder available in mini, so I got that in a mini, and they already had a toast to you that was out. So we're going to review that one as well. So let me go through the minis that I did pick up. So from the Scent Lab, I got the Coconut Nectar one. So this one is the one that has that coconut, like it says, nectar note. And I do enjoy this one. It's not synthetic coconut. It's definitely giving you a nice sweet, like it says, nectar of the coconut. So I know I love coconut, so I know this I want to enjoy. So I wanted to make sure I got that one. It was a couple of them that I did not get, you guys. So you'll see that in a minute as we go. This one is the Vibrant Jasmine. So you know I love a good jasmine. And this, like it says, is a vibrant jasmine. It's not a deep jasmine. It has a brightness about it, which is nice. So that is Vibrant Jasmine. The other one I got here that I really enjoyed was this Zesty Peach. So the Zesty Peach, this one right here reminds you of a peach ring with a little spiciness about it. Yep. I think this was one of my favorites from when I originally smelled it, and I still love it a lot. The next one that I really did like was the Delicate Iris. I love the color on this one as well. Yes, this is that sweet, powdery, floral, and it's gorgeous. Iris is a beautiful scent. So that is nice as well. And the other one that I thought smelled more like a perfume than it does a body mist is this Toasted Pistachio. So this one here smells like it smells gorgeous. It smells like your Young Bougie pistachio gelato. It smells like this smells like it should be a perfume, but it's just a toasted pistachio. So that is a good one. The other one I got here was the Wild Vanilla. This is just your simple vanilla scent. I was debating on whether I was gonna get this one or not, but I decided to go ahead and get it because you know vanillas do deepen with time. So I went ahead and got that one. I do like it. So, and the other one I picked up was this one here, the Smooth Sandalwood. And it has a light, creamy sandalwood scent to it. Like I said, good also for layering since it's part of this Scent Lab. The other one that I did get was the Amber Suede. This one here. And this has a slight sweetness to it, a warmth about it, and it has a smoothness about it. So I guess that's where they're getting the suede part from. But it is enjoyable. Another good one for layering. And the other mini I got was this one, the Pure Wonder one. Now, I'm sharing this other one with you in my Bath and Body Works collection series. I had been videoing my collection with you, and I did my Bath and Body Works mist. And my part 3 is my retired fragrances, along with some of my newest pickups that didn't make it in my original 2 videos. So Pure Wonder is going to be in that video if you haven't seen it already. And so this one has Ice Rosé, Star Jasmine, and Warm White Amber. So they brought it back in this mini now. And I already sprayed the tops on these. So let me smell this again. Yeah. They smell the same for the most part. I'm smelling very minimal difference in it. So now we have it in, I have it in the mini form here. And the next one I cashed in a reward for this one. This was a Toast to You that they just released. And this one has sequined plums, berry spritz, and smooth amber. And you definitely pick up on some berries and plums with a slight warmth, and it has a slight sweetness about it. It's still a little alcohol-y too. Let it dry down some more. Yeah, it has like a brightness about it. And maybe that's why they said sequin plums. And they're saying berry spritz because it has a brightness about it. You smell the fruits, like you smell the plum, you smell the berry, but it has a brightness about it and a warmth about it at the same time. Yeah. If you love Into the Night, I can see you loving this one. And the top is on here pretty good. And these tops, they've been doing the changing to these different tops. I love those tops. They're cute. And they have the little Bath and Body Works logo in the top part of it. And they're on there very securely. But yeah, plum, the berry, brightness with a warmth about it. So I can see several people getting along with this one. But that is a Toast to You. So I do like this one a lot. So I'm going to see after I actually do the wear test on it what else I think about it. But for right now, I do like it. So that is everything that I picked up while I went in the store. I looked at the other things, but I decided not to get those items. So that is everything I picked up from the mini sale. That Oceanside Splash they had there also, I didn't care for that one. Didn't care for the Blackberry Burst. I thought I would love that one, but it was very light in that Scent Lab collection. And the other minis I just wasn't interested in. So that is everything that I did get from the mini size haul that they had at Bath and Body Works. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that button and giving me a big thumbs up so it'll push my video out into the YouTube space out there so more like-minded people like yourself can enjoy this content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.